was born under the sun, so why am I so afraid of it? Made peace with all I've done, but that just wasn't enough. Ooh. Change direction once or twice, yes I am ashamed of it. I try to keep my soul intact, what else could I have done? I wanna say, hey, oh, woman and I'm cold. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sabrina here, and today I'm so excited because today we are going to be making fried minced meat, or you could say fried qeema in the Pakistani handi style. So let's get started.
What we're gonna do is half cup of oil. We're gonna warm up the oil, and then we will add one cut onion to it. Need is 2 cut tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a little bit of garam masala, which has black cloves and these leaves, bay leaves, and this one as well. And you need also 1 cut onions, and we have half a pound minced meat. This is beef minced meat. Now we will add 1 cup of onions to the oil. Okay, we're gonna add 1 cup of water. We're gonna add 2 tomatoes. We will add all the spices in there. We will also add the ground beef. And we will let it cook.
Oh, look at this.
And the reason we added water, so all the onions can dissolve and the minced meat will cook. Okay, now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. And we will let it cook. We will not move it too much because the minced meat will break and it doesn't look good. It's just a preference. So we will cook it for probably 25 minutes and this should be ready to stir fry. It's been cooking since 10 minutes. And there you go. Wow, it's becoming very well. I'm not gonna shake it too much because the keema, the minced meat is gonna break, so we don't want that. This happens, so probably 10-15 more minutes, and it will be ready to stir fry. And we're gonna stir fry for 5-10 minutes, and it will be ready. Wow, look at this, guys. So it's been cooking since 15-18 minutes almost. And it's becoming very close to being stir fried. So basically once it's cooked, what's going to happen is that we're going to stir fry for 5 minutes. So that means constantly moving it because it's going to burn if you don't. So we're going to cover it and we're going to cook for probably 8-9 more minutes. So it's been cooking since 25 minutes and it's almost ready for stir fry. Actually we're going to start stir frying now. It will be ready in, I would say, 10 minutes. Okay, now you can see the oil is there on the surface, so that's a sign that we should be stir frying. So we've been stir frying since 2-3 minutes now, and it's becoming very well. You want to see the oil on the surface, and that will be a sign that it's cooked. We got cooked, and look at it, guys. Oh, it looks yummy. So we're gonna have the food, and bon appetit. That's it.